So dear friends, if you want to send any contact number on WhatsApp, then there are mainly two ways to do this. And here in this video, I'm gonna show you both the ways. So let's get started. So in the first method, what to do? First, to go to your contact list. Now click on contacts. From your contact list, select the contact number that you want to send on WhatsApp. For example, I'm selecting this contact number. Now look at the bottom, you'll get some options here. Just click on the share button. And now select the first option, P card pile. And now look at the bottom, you'll get all the social media sites to share your contact number. Now select WhatsApp. And now select the phone number that you want to send this contact number. And now at the bottom right corner, click on the send button. And your contact number will be sent to that user. So that was the first method to send in the contact number on WhatsApp. Now in the second method, what to do? Open your WhatsApp. Now in the second method, first select the user that you want to send this contact number. Now look at the bottom, you'll see an attachment icon here. So click on it. Click on this contact icon. Now select the contact number that you want to send. Now at the bottom right corner, click on this right arrow icon. Click on the send button. Now see the contact number has been sent. So this is how you can send in the contact number on WhatsApp. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.